Hey guys, Kristen Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you guys can get notified anytime I post something new. So for today's video, I did want to do something kind of like fiery red and gold type of look. So if you guys want to see what I used to do this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so to start with, I'm going to use one of the brushes that comes in the Many Naked palettes. I'm going to use a more dense flat side. And I'm going to pick up, what am I picking up? Mase from the Kylie Kourtney collab from her green palette. And packing that on to my lid. And then kind of blending that into my crease a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with Access with the Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to pack that into my crease and then blend that from my crease towards my brow bone using the Jaclyn Armed and Gorgeous palette. Using the NYX glitter primer, I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and then use my middle finger to kind of dab it on, and then use my ring finger to pick up the NYX loose glitter and put that right on top. Not using a brush because I don't want to pick up too much glitter, just using my finger because it'll kind of pick up a little bit just for a little hint of glitter. That's all I'm going for. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and just do a line on my lash line. And then because I forgot, I'm going to go in with my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara just to set my eyebrows. Now when doing my eyeliner, I do like to rest my pinky just where my pinky nail is at on my cheekbone to kind of help me so I don't push too hard, and it helps me just keep the line as straight as possible. Now while my liner dries, I'm going to go in with foundation since I can't curl my lashes or put my mascara on yet. So I'm going to do my foundation routine. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my concealer, with my Tarte Creaseless Concealer Medium Sand. And I'm going to use the same kabuki brush that I used for my foundation because I may or may not have left my beauty blenders in my mom's car when we got ready when we went to Disneyland. So yeah, I'm going to use the same brush. And then I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Powder to set all of the concealer. Alright, so my camera died while I was setting my concealer. That's why it just cuts off, so sorry about that. But because it died, I did do my mascara and lashes off camera. But now I'm going to go in and put Access from the Armed & Gorgeous Jaclyn Hill palette and put that on my lower lash line and then just top it with mascara. Okay, I'm going to go in with Girl Trip and put that in my inner corner and underneath my brow bone. And then go in with my blush and contour routine. Okay guys, for my lip, I'm going to go with Kylie Cosmetics Kristen. And then probably, that's it. Guys, that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and today's look, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.